Nehemiah chapter 11. Now the rulers of the people dwelt at Jerusalem, and the rest of the people cast lots, to bring 1 out of 10 to dwell in Jerusalem, the set-apart city, and 9/10 were to dwell in other cities. And the people blessed all the men who volunteered to dwell at Jerusalem. And these are the heads of the province, who dwelt in Jerusalem, but in the cities of Yehudah everyone dwelt in his own possession in their cities. Yisrael, the priests, and the Levites, and the Nethinim, and the sons of Shalom's servants. And in Jerusalem dwelt certain of the children of Yehudah, and of the children of Binyamin. Of the children of Yehudah, Athiah, son of Uzziah, son of Zechariah, son of Amariah, son of Shephatiah, son of Mahalalel, of the children of Peretz. And Maaseiah, son of Baruch, son of Kol-Hoseh, son of Chaziah, son of Adiah, son of Yoyariv, son of Zechariah, son of Shiloni. All the sons of Peretz who dwelt at Jerusalem were 468 brave men. And these are the sons of Binyamin: Salu, son of Meshulam, son of Yoed, son of Pedaiah, son of Koliah, son of Maaseiah, son of Ithiel, son of Yeshaiah. And after him Gabai, Salai, 928. And Yoel, son of Zikri, was their overseer, and Yehudah, son of Senua, was second over the city. Of the priests, Yediah, son of Yoyariv, Yachin, Seraiah, son of Hilkiah, son of Meshulam, son of Tzadok, son of Meraioth, son of Achituv, was the leader of the house of Elohim. And their brothers who did the work of the house were 822. And Adaiah, son of Yeroham, son of Pelaliah, son of Ampti, son of Zechariah, son of Pashur, son of Malchiah, and his brothers, heads of the fathers' houses, were 242. And Amashai, son of Azarel, son of Achzai, son of Meshilemoth, son of Immer, and their brothers, mighty brave ones, were 128. And their overseer was Zavdiel, son of the great ones. Also of the Levites, Shemaiah, son of Chashuv, son of Azrikam, son of Chashavia, son of Buni, and Shabbetai, and Yozavat, of the heads of the Levites, over the outside work of the house of Elohim. And Mataniah, son of Micha, son of Zavdi, son of Asaph, who was the leader who began the thanksgiving with prayer. And Bakbukiah, the second among his brothers, and Avda, son of Shammua, son of Galal, son of Yeduthun. All the Levites in the set-apart city were 284. And the gatekeepers, Akuv, Talmon, and their brothers, keeping guard at the gates, were 172. And the rest of Yisrael, of the priests, Levites, were in all the cities of Yehudah, each one in his inheritance. But the Nethinim dwelt in Ophel, and Ticha and Gishpa were over the Nethinim. And the overseer of the Levites at Jerusalem was Uzzi, son of Bani, son of Chashavia, son of Mataniah, son of Micha. Of the sons of Asaph, the singers, were over the work of the house of Elohim. For the sovereign's command was upon them, and support for the singers, a matter day by day. And Pethachiah, son of Meshezabel, of the children of Zerach, son of Yehudah, was the sovereign's deputy in all matters concerning the people. And at the villages with their fields, some of the children of Yehudah dwelt in Kiriath Arba and its villages, and in Divon and its villages, and in Yekapteel and its villages, and in Yeshua, and in Moladah, and in Beit Pelet, and in Chatzar Shual, and in Beersheba and its villages, and in Tiklag, and in Mechonah and its villages, and in En-Rimmon, and in Torah, and in Yarmuth, Zanoach, Adullam, and their villages, in Lachish and its fields, in Azekah and its villages. So they dwelt from Beersheba to the valley of Hinnom. And the children of Binyamin, from Gevah, Michmash, and Ayah, and Beit El and their villages, Anathoth, Nov, Ananiah, Chatzor, Ramah, Gittaim, Chadid, Tzevoim, Nevalat, Lot, and Onu, and the valley of craftsmen. And of the Levites the divisions of Yehudah were for Binyamin.